Butterflies, tiny, colorful, and always on the move. At first glance, they might just seem like pretty decorations in nature, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. These little creatures play a huge role in keeping our world alive and balanced. From helping plants grow, to supporting entire food chains, butterflies are way more important than most people realize. So, why do we need them? Let's take a closer look at the secret life of butterflies and the incredible impact they have on our planet. The beauty and mystery of butterflies. Butterflies have been around for millions of years, long before humans ever walked the earth. Today, there are more than 17,000 known species around the world, each with its own colors, patterns, and survival tricks. Some are tiny and easy to miss, while others, like the stunning blue morpho, look like pieces of sky floating through the forest. And then there's the transformation, one of nature's most fascinating magic acts. A crawling caterpillar builds a tiny shelter, disappears inside, and emerges as something completely new, delicate wings, ready to fly. That incredible journey from caterpillar to butterfly isn't just beautiful, it's a survival strategy that's helped them thrive for millions of years. Butterflies as key pollinators. When we think of pollinators, most people think of bees, and while they do an amazing job, butterflies quietly help keep our world blooming too. As they travel from flower to flower sipping nectar, they carry tiny grains of pollen on their legs and wings. Without even realizing it, they're helping plants grow, reproduce, and create the seeds and fruits that so many other animals rely on. Some plants are specially designed for butterflies. Their long thin tongues, called proboscises, can reach nectar deep inside flowers that many other pollinators can't get to. That makes butterflies an important partner in keeping wildflowers, gardens, and entire ecosystems alive and thriving. Butterflies as environmental indicators. Butterflies don't just make the world more colorful, they also tell us a lot about the health of our planet. Because they're so sensitive to changes in temperature, weather, and habitat, scientists often look at butterfly populations as an early warning system. When their numbers start to drop, it's usually a sign that something bigger is happening, like habitat loss, pesticide use, or even climate change. If butterflies disappear, it's often one of the first clues that an entire ecosystem is in trouble. By paying attention to them, we get a glimpse into the overall balance of nature, and the changes we need to make to protect it. Butterflies in the food chain. Butterflies might seem delicate, but they play a huge role in the food chain. As caterpillars, they're like little energy-packed snacks for birds, reptiles, frogs, and even other insects. Without them, many animals would struggle to survive. And it doesn't stop there, adult butterflies are also food for creatures like bats and spiders. In a way, butterflies help fuel entire ecosystems, passing energy from plants to the animals that depend on them. Take them out of the picture, and the balance of nature starts to fall apart. The threats they face. For millions of years, butterflies have survived changing seasons and shifting landscapes. But today, they're facing some of the biggest challenges in their history. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats. As forests are cleared and wildflower fields disappear, butterflies lose the places they need to feed, breed, and migrate. Pesticides and pollution also take a toll, harming not just butterflies, but the plants and other insects they depend on. And then there's climate change, which is disrupting migration patterns and causing some species to emerge too early or too late for the flowers they rely on. Populations of iconic species, like the monarch butterfly, have dropped sharply in recent decades. And if we don't act, more species could follow. Butterflies may look fragile, but their role in keeping our planet alive is far greater than we imagine. Protecting them means protecting the balance of nature itself. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and want to discover more amazing facts about the animal world, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There's so much more to explore together.